Top 10 Ways to Earn with Chatgpt. What is Chatgpt? Chatgpt, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a type of artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI that is capable of generating human-like text. It is trained on a large dataset of text and is able to generate new text that is coherent and resembles human writing. How Chatgpt works. To generate text with GPT, you can provide it with a prompt, which is a piece of text that serves as a starting point for the generation. The model will then use the information it has learned from the training data to generate text that continues or expands upon the prompt. The generated text is intended to be coherent and resemble human writing. If you are using GPT in a chat application, the model would be provided with the user's input as the prompt and would generate a response based on that input and the information it has learned from the training data. The generated response would be intended to be appropriate and relevant to the user's input. How to earn money from Chatgpt. There are many ways to earn money using Chatgpt, and the internet is full of information about how to earn money using Chatgpt technology. But I only provide 10 methods I am 100% sure it works, and you can earn as you want. The top 10 methods to earn money using the Chatgpt list are given below. Number 1. Blog post writing. The first method is blog post writing. Blog post writing is the way to write some information about anything. If you write content, so sell your service on many freelancing websites like Fiverr, Guru, Upwork, and so on. It is very easy to write articles and website content using Chatgpt technology. Number 2. Create your own blog. The second method is very difficult. Creating your own blog means creating a custom website for you and publishing the content according to your niche. When your site is ranked in Google search results, then you can make money through AdSense. Number 3. Write products description. There are many companies like Amazon and Flipkart that hire content writers to write their products description, and this service is also available in online marketplaces like Fiverr and Upwork. Create your gig about products description, and it's a high chance to get your first order. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. In affiliate marketing, an affiliate is a person or company that promotes a product or service on behalf of another company and earns a commission for each sale made through their referral link. Number 5. Create ebooks. Using Chatgpt technology, you can create your own ebook and sell it to another platform. There are many websites to sell these books and earn money, but in creating ebook you have some information about how to create an ebook and how to grip the attention of readers. Number 6. Create notes and sell. You can also create notes using Chatgpt and sell them on other websites like Amazon, StudyPool, etc. There are many websites to sell your own create notes and make money. Number 7. Freelancing. Freelancing is a term used to describe the work of individuals who are self-employed and not committed to a particular employer long-term. Freelancers are independent contractors who offer their services to clients on a project-by-project basis. Freelancers may work in a variety of fields, such as writing, graphic design, web development, marketing, or consulting. They may work for multiple clients at a time or focus on a single project for an extended period. Freelancers may work from home, a co-working space, or a client's office, depending on the nature of the work and the preferences of the freelancer and the client. Number 8. Create YouTube video script. To create a script for a YouTube video using Chatgpt, you could follow these steps. Determine the topic and purpose of your video. This will help you narrow down the focus of your script and generate ideas for what to include. Provide a prompt to the Chatgpt model that includes the topic and purpose of your video. For example, you might provide a prompt like, write a script for a YouTube video about how to create a successful affiliate marketing campaign. The video should be 10 minutes long and include tips and strategies for beginners. Use the Chatgpt model to generate text based on the prompt. Review the generated text and select the ideas and information that you want to include in your script. Organize the selected information into a coherent structure. You might divide the script into sections or chapters that correspond to different aspects of the topic. Edit and refine the script to ensure that it is clear, concise, and flows smoothly. This may involve rephrasing or eliminating unnecessary information. Preview the script to make sure it is the appropriate length for your video. You may need to add or remove content to meet the desired length. Record your video using the script as a guide. It is important to note that the output of Chatgpt may require significant editing and refinement to be suitable for use in a YouTube video script. It is a good idea to review the generated text carefully and make adjustments as needed to ensure that the script is accurate, relevant, and engaging. Number 9. Write custom code. You can also write a custom code for your website using Chatgpt. It is not sure is correct or not, but I recommended checking the generated code and selling this service on Fiverr and other freelancing marketplaces. Number 10. Social media post. To create a social media post using Chatgpt, you could follow these steps. Determine the purpose and audience of your social media post. This will help you narrow down the focus of your post and generate ideas for what to include. Provide a prompt to the Chatgpt model that includes the purpose and audience of your post. For example, you might provide a prompt like, "Write a social media post for a fashion brand targeting young women." The post should promote a new collection and include a call to action to shop now. Use the Chatgpt model to generate text based on the prompt. Review the generated text and select the ideas and information that you want to include in your post. Edit and refine the text to ensure that it is clear, concise, and engaging. This may involve rephrasing or eliminating unnecessary information. Preview the post to make sure it is the appropriate length and tone for the social media platform you are using. You may need to add or remove content to meet the guidelines and preferences of the platform. Use the text of your post as the caption or message for your social media content. This could be a photo, video, or another type of media. It is important to note that the output of Chatgpt may require significant editing and refinement to be suitable for use in a social media post. It is a good idea to review the generated text carefully and make adjustments as needed to ensure that the post is accurate, relevant, and appealing to your audience. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.